caught up in the idea that you're at uni, you need to study, but it's not all about that, it's about immersing yourself in the experience.
I'd say take every moment as it comes at Warwick, because like myself, the time passes by before you know it, and when you get to the end of it, you realize I've done so much, but I wish I could have done so much more, simply because it is an amazing university to be at. There are amazing people to meet here, and even forget your career aspects. Obviously, that's a major part of it and a major reason you come to university, but really soak in the atmosphere at the university and make the most of the department's resources, the university's resources, and the people around you to have the best university experience you can possibly have.
Make sure you love economics, because that's the only way you'll get the most out of doing a degree.
My words of advice are: leave your comfort zone, reach out to the department, reach out to faculty, attend office hours. All these things are there for you. It took me a year to get used to it. However, once I did that, that's when I really took the next step towards developing the economist that I am today.
I would seize every opportunity you have here. Warwick will offer you so many great opportunities to go travel, to go try new things, and if you don't take them, you're missing out, because it's one of the best things Warwick can give you.
Well, my advice is to get involved. Try as much as you can. In your first weeks, you should have 0 hours free. With the department, the societies, there's so many exciting societies, sports, and just really, just be busy throughout your whole time. My favorite parts about university and my favorite times were when I was completely busy compared to when I didn't have anything to do. So just get involved in everything, try everything, and you have a great time.
Enjoy it whilst you can, because it starts to get harder in second and third year, but it is a laugh and you will eventually get through it. If I got through it, you'll get through it. Honestly, if I got through it, you'll be fine.